A London judge has dismissed Donald Trump's lawsuit against Orbis Business Intelligence, the firm founded by the British intelligence officer Christopher Steele. Trump's lawsuit claimed that Steele had made shocking and scandalous claims that were damaging and untrue, thus harming the former president's reputation. However, Judge Karen Stein has ruled that the action against Orbis Business Intelligence should not proceed to trial. The court's decision was based on the grounds that Trump's claim for damages had been made outside the 6-year limitation period, stating that he had no reasonable grounds for compensation now. The lawsuit originated from Steele's dossier in 2016, which included unverified claims and sparked controversy shortly before Trump's inauguration. Despite Trump's legal action, Orbis Business Intelligence is counter-suing Trump for alleged violation of British data protection regulations. The UK's court ruling clarified that it did not determine the accuracy of the memoranda in the Steele dossier, but concluded that Trump's claim for damages was time-barred, having been filed outside the specified limitation period. Judge Stein also emphasized that Trump has no reasonable ground for seeking compensation or damages and has no real prospect of successfully obtaining such a remedy. The court further noted that the only other remedy claimed by Trump was a compliance order erasing or restricting the processing of the memoranda, which was deemed pointless and unnecessary since the dossier was freely available on the internet. Now, this legal development comes at a time when Donald Trump is actively pursuing the Republican nomination for the 2024 presidential race, despite facing legal challenges on the other side of the Atlantic. For the unaware, the Steele dossier, which alleged ties between Trump's presidential campaign and the Russian security service, gained attention when leaked in January 2017. Earlier, Trump had claimed that he suffered personal and reputational damage and distress due to the publication of the dossier. In response to additional allegations, he also denied participating in sex parties or even engaging in perverted sexual behavior, stating that the claims are false. Orbis, Steele's firm, argues that Trump's claim lacks a reasonable prospect of success and was driven by a vendetta against perceived enemies, characterizing it as a part of Trump's history of harassing those who hold grudges against him.